In this video, I'm going to show you how to see KOL leaderboard on Axiom. Now, the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as an amazing wallet tracker and Twitter tracker. They also have a pulse tracker and a P&L tracker. They have an amazing reward system which will just reward you Solana back just for trading, so it's basically like free Solana. They can also give you the opportunity to actually trade perpetuals as well. You can see the leaderboards, you can set your own presets and adjust your slippage, priority and bribe fees for both buys and sells, etc. So again, link down below, make sure you check it out, you will not regret it. To actually see the KOL leaderboard, this has been the recent update. You want to switch to the vision tab up here. And over here where it says KOL at the very top left, you can click on KOL and this will give you your KOL leaderboard. Now here, as you can see, this is sorted from 1 to basically, I think there's like gonna be 144. There we go, people. So top 144 people are gonna be showing up here. So of course, these are the KOLs. And you can sort these by either P&L Solana, P&L USD, or whatever you want to, as you can see over here on this list. Then you can also sort by descending or ascending up here, and you can select different time periods. So you can have like 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, and 30 days. Okay. Now, also, if you scroll down here, you'll be able to see the trader, and then you can see their P&L, win rate, positions, trades, volume, and average hold. So however long they hold. You can click on that as well, and you'll be able to see this panel over here where you can basically see everything regarding that specific trader. Here you can also switch between USD and Solana, and then by clicking this, you can switch to the gallery view, which just makes things a bit bigger and a bit more neat. So that's pretty much it. That's how to see the KOL leaderboard. As I said, in case you're new to Axiom, there's a link down below. Make sure you check it out. And I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.